Hey folks, welcome back to the Jim Handy channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by to check out the video. It's Sunday, and kind of taking the day off from doing anything major, but I wanted to get something out there for the viewers to see, so I thought I would show you how to fold a paper cube. So I guess this is a form of origami. I learned how to do this when I was about 9 or 10. My brother taught me. I have no idea how he learned to do this, but it's just a simple paper cube, and it's kind of a neat thing, especially if you have kids around. They can be real impressed with seeing one of these made and actually learning how to make them. They're pretty simple. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Just a lighthearted kind of video, nothing intense this week. So let's get started. Okay, so you can use pretty much any kind of paper. Cardstock does not work, it's too thick. You need something kind of thin. Standard old notebook paper will work. Construction paper on the thinner side will also work. Something that I found that works really well is I take a manila envelope and I just use a paper cutter and cut it down. It's actually about the perfect thickness. That's what this is. And so that's what I'm going to use today to actually create this origami paper cube. So to get started, we need actually a perfectly square piece of paper. Of course, what we have here is more so like 8.5 by 11 or close to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and we're just going to grab this end right here and we're going to fold it up along to this edge, just like that. And we want to make sure that we keep this edge fully aligned here. Just like that. Okay, we're going to put a nice crease in this, and you'll see why here in a moment. We'll flip this over, and this tab here, we want to fold that up so that it's even with the piece of paper on the underside there. And we're going to give that a nice crease. Now we'll just fold this here. You can see basically that little maneuver ensures that we end up with a perfectly square piece of paper. We're going to be tearing this piece away. So we want to make sure we give this a nice crease. You could use scissors to cut this if you want, or if you have a paper cutter, even better. I'm just going to do it the old manual way. Give it a nice crease. There we go. Now we have our square piece of paper. We have a crease here. We need to make a crease across here, so we're just going to fold this over, just so that the points meet at the top there, and give this a nice little crease along the bottom. I'm using my fingernails to really crease that good. Now, we have a square piece of paper, two nice creases. What we're going to do is just kind of grab underneath, and we're going to pull this together like so. And we want to end up with this kind of configuration. And then we just fold it down like that. Just give that a nice press. Now, you can see what we've done there, pretty simple. Now, next step is we've got 4 points that we need to fold. So we'll just start, doesn't matter which one you start with. We'll fold that up so that this point meets this top up here. We'll do this one. And I just, actually what I did was just flip it over, and we'll do the other side. Same procedure. And what we're going to end up with is just a smaller square. Now, this is where it starts to get a little bit tricky. So we've made those folds. Now we're going to take each of these flaps here. We're going to grab the point and just pull it straight over and let the point meet the middle. Once we've done that, we can grab this loose end here, pull that back over, and then fold again in this direction. Then lift that up, and what you're going to see here is we can take this and kind of open up this piece, and we want to take this flap that we just folded and just stuff it right inside there, just like that. And we're going to repeat that. Get that in there just a little bit better. There we go. And we'll just repeat this with all 4 flaps. And again, bring that over, back, lift it up, and then open up this piece so that we can stuff that in. I don't know if you can see that, how well that shows up, but we're just stuffing that right in there. That's got that side done. We'll flip it over, and we just repeat the same exact procedure on this side. Okay. Now, just give it a little fold. We just want to make sure that we've got good creases everywhere. Now, with it at this stage, one end of this is going to have a little hole. I think you can probably see that right there. And this is where the magic comes in, and I'll show you. Okay, so we have this again. You can see the hole there. We're just going to blow air into this. And it inflates it. And of course, it's a little bit rounded, but we can fix that really easy. We just take each of these sides here, just kind of grab at the corners, give it a little pull, and then give it a little crease. Do the same thing here. Just kind of go around, give it just a little crease. Do that one as well. Being careful not to crush what you've just created. And again, this manila envelope paper is just perfect for this kind of thing. We're almost there. And as you continue working around, just give that a crease. And there we go. A nice little paper cube. So I hope you enjoyed that. Again, just something lighthearted for a Sunday. And I'll be back hopefully next week or next weekend with maybe part 2 of the kitchen makeover that I'm helping my son and his fiance with. So I think I'll have enough content put together to be able to publish a second video on that. So stay tuned for that, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Greatly helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. Try to get content of some sort out about every week, and greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe. It's absolutely free. So with that said, everybody take care. Have a great day, a great week, and we'll see you again on the next video. Bye.